DG Connect European Commission. Can you tell us a little bit more about Digitizing European Industry strategy?
Well, we have developed together with the member states in 2016 the Digitizing European Industry strategy to support industry in their digital transformation. Since then we have updated it, worked together with member states, with industry, and I must say it was looking at a kind of a 5-year period, and we are now 4 years into that, and we have largely achieved so far what we wanted to achieve, the pooling of budgets between member states with industry. I would say we are on track. We have established the concept of digital innovation hubs that are centers who help SMEs in their digital transformation across Europe. So in Europe, most member states are now setting up such networks, and we are now stimulating more and more collaboration with them to share best practices and to develop maybe testing facilities together, and so as to be more efficient in helping SMEs across the European Union.
Okay, European strategy for artificial intelligence. So you're now collecting all the national strategies. What are the next steps?
Yeah, we have spent, at the end of last year, 2018, we have developed the first coordinated plan across Europe, taking into account the demands by member states, but also looking what is needed on artificial intelligence. So with the member states, we established a coordinated plan. One of the points in there, as you mentioned, was that member states developed their own strategies. There I think many member states are on track, and we are now taking that into account, and also the results of the high-level experts group we had for ethics, and we now look at that and see how to update this coordinated plan to keep it up to date and to push for artificial intelligence in the service of European industry, the European citizen, and Europe at all.
Last but not least are SMEs who are facing the skills gap. What's the policy that the European Commission is going to take?
Well, I cannot say something about the overall policy now, but I would give a good example probably for that. You may know that in the new package for the new programming period, we do not only have a research and innovation program, but we are also supporting a capacity building program. And that is for building digital capacity around the European Union so that we can support the rollout of the newest digital technologies. And there we have one out of 5 pillars is the pillar on digital skills development. So the current proposal to Council and Parliament is 1.7 billion on skills development, so to support from 2021 onwards, to support curricula, to support training courses, to support sharing best practices. So that's the skills pillar, and then we have another pillar on supporting digital innovation hubs to broadly roll out digital technologies. And if you put those together, they will closely collaborate. So the digital innovation hubs will help in their reaching out to SMEs. They will also help to develop skills with SMEs. So we have a concept that we now have to see how it trickles through in the European Union, because SMEs and the workers you only get when you are working locally. And that is what the digital innovation hubs should help us to do.